Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best electric guitar is probably one of the most thrilling instruments a young musician can pick up. In this video, we're diving into the world of electric guitars perfect for kids aged 9 to 12. We'll explore what makes a great guitar for beginners, from size and playability to sound quality and overall value, so your child can start their musical journey on the right note. Number 5. Best Choice Products 30 inches Kids Acoustic Guitar. This all-inclusive set comes with everything a beginner needs. It includes a carrying case, extra strings, a strap, and a pick set. You won't need to buy anything else to get started. Included are lessons for all levels from Fret Zealot. The app, available on iOS and Android, also features a digital tuner. This makes it easy to tune the guitar anywhere. Made from durable hardwood with a lacquered finish, this guitar is designed for kids. It matches the look, feel, and sound of a full-sized guitar, so they can learn comfortably. It's built to recreate the iconic curves and sound of the classical acoustic guitar. The design features a tight gap between the strings and fretboard, which is ideal for beginners. This helps reduce player fatigue. It's ideally sized for children to reach every note on the fretboard. Available in a variety of unique colors and styles, your child can find their unique sound. The guitar dimensions are 30 inches long, 10.5 inches wide, and 2.75 inches high. What we like. This guitar comes with everything a beginner needs, making it super convenient. It also includes access to lessons, helping you learn quickly. If you're looking for a hassle-free start to your musical journey, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The guitar is the perfect size for my 9-year-old. The guitar has a nice sound. The guitar is well made. Number 4. Pyle PGKT 30-inch Kids Electric Guitar Starter Kit. This electric guitar is designed for kids aged 9 to 12. It's a mini 30-inch body, perfect for small hands. It is ideal for early learners. The guitar features single-coil pickups. This provides a nice, crisp, and twangy sound. It's perfect for genres like surf, country, rock and roll, and blues. It is designed like an adult guitar, with tone and volume knobs. It also has 21 frets and a high-gloss black coating. The chrome accent hardware and tuner pegs add to its appeal. The included amplifier has a 5-inch loudspeaker. It is specially designed for high-frequency response. It also has a drive switch, volume, treble, and bass knobs. The amplifier also includes a headphone output. This allows the user to practice quietly without disturbing others. It's a great feature for beginners. What we like. This guitar features single-coil pickups, delivering a classic, crisp sound. Designed specifically for kids, it's easy to handle and play. If you're a young aspiring guitarist who loves rock and roll, this is the one for you. What people say. The guitar is the perfect size for my 10-year-old. The amp is loud enough to play with a band. The guitar is easy to play and sounds great. Number 3. Mendini 4/4 Beginner Violin Kit. This violin is crafted with premium solid hand-carved spruce and maple. It offers excellent tone and durability. The design combines both durability and comfort, making it perfect for long-term use. The 4/4 violin features an ergonomic design with smooth contours. This helps beginners play longer with ease. It's equipped with premium strings that deliver rich, resonant tones, inspiring musical passion. This full-size violin is a great beginner instrument for anyone. It's a perfect gift for students, family, or friends, making it easier for them to start their musical journey. The kit includes everything a beginner needs. You'll receive a violin, bow, extra strings, bridges, rosin, shoulder rest, tuner, lesson book, and a hard case. Everything is included for a great playing experience. Your violin arrives almost ready to play. Simply tune the pegs and you're set. Start making music in minutes with this hassle-free setup. The bridge is unset for safe shipping. What we like. This violin is crafted with premium materials for superior sound quality. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable play, even for extended practice sessions. If you're looking for a great beginner violin with everything you need to start playing right away, this is a great choice. What people say. The guitar is the perfect size for my 10-year-old. The guitar is well made and sounds great. The included accessories are a nice bonus. Number 2. Best choice 39 inches electric guitar starter kit. This complete kit includes everything you need to start playing. It comes with an amplifier, carrying case, extra strings, a pick, a whammy bar, and a shoulder strap. You won't need to buy anything else to get started. This electric guitar set is designed for both beginners and intermediate players. It's ready to play right out of the box. The guitar is crafted to convert vibrations into an electric sound. The guitar features a quality paint finish and custom black tuning pegs. It has accented binding for a sophisticated look. This design makes it stand out. Experiment with different music styles with the adjustable sound. You can play anything from blues to rock. The tremolo bridge system allows you to bend the pitch. The guitar is handcrafted with a composite fretboard and maple neck. It converts vibrations into a rich sound. It has 3 single coil pickups and a matching color whammy bar. What we like. This electric guitar kit includes all the necessary accessories, so you can start playing immediately. The custom design gives it a sleek look, and the adjustable sound lets you experiment with different music styles. If you're looking to rock out and explore different genres, this guitar is perfect for you. What people say. The guitar is the perfect size for my 9-year-old. The guitar is well made and sounds great. It's a great beginner guitar. Number 1. Best Choice Products 30 inches Kids Electric Guitar. This guitar is perfectly sized for young musicians. It allows kids to start learning at an early age. They can easily transition to a full-sized guitar as they grow. Included are 4 months of free lessons from Fret Zealot. The app offers lessons for all levels and a digital tuner. It's available on both iOS and Android. This guitar is built with all wood and has a shiny finish. It's designed to look and play just like a standard guitar. It's built for long-lasting use. This all-inclusive kit comes with everything needed to start playing. It includes a gig bag, extra strings, a strap, a cloth, and extra picks. Everything is included. The kit includes a 5-watt, battery-operated amplifier. It comes with a cable to connect to the guitar. This helps strengthen the signal and magnify the music. What we like. This guitar is perfectly sized for young players, making it easier to learn and play. It also includes access to lessons, helping you build your skills. If you're a parent looking for a great starter guitar for your child, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The guitar is the perfect size for my 9-year-old. The guitar is well made and sounds great. The included accessories are a nice bonus. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.